Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. Thank you so much for joining me. It really means a lot to me that you spend your time here with me and you take a little bit of time out of your day to just to come join me and be with me. I greatly appreciate it. So today is 4 different unboxings and bagging on Vera Bradley items. So since they don't have a really big viewing or anything, all kind of small pieces, I thought I'd put them all together and we kind of just go from there. So this first one was when I bought my daughter's Kate Spade those turquoise bags. If you haven't seen that one, that's I'll try to link that down below. That I shopped for her birthday in June. When I went into the store, I had told her that I had bought 2 items. So one of them was that tote bag, and the other one was this. Let's see. And so this is just like a little baguette style purse, shoulder bag. So I wasn't quite sure if I was gonna use it as an actual purse or if I would use it as a supplemental kind of bag. Not quite sure. I think it probably would be good for a purse, but I'll have to see. So this was $10.49 is how much this was. So here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, and here's the bottom. So let's see, she has that nice knot, little braided knot there. And then on the inside, she has this pattern. And that's what she looks like on the inside. Cute. And she has a little tag over here, Vera Bradley tag. So there's 2 pockets in the front, and then the long zipper in the back. Let's see, where's my phone case? Which my phone does fit in the back pocket there, but of course it'll fit in the main cavity of the bag. It also has a back zipper. And here's the back zipper. Plenty of room, definitely plenty of room. My phone would fit back there, so that would be perfect. It's a little structured back. I guess I didn't really realize, like, the sides are structured, and so is the back. It's you know, it's structured. It's not a soft bag. So I guess I really didn't realize that. So there's that one, and I like the purple. I've been looking for some purple bags, so it caught my eye. So this one I got off of eBay, and let's see if we can go into eBay. I paid a little more than I wanted to on this one, but it was so unusual. I hadn't seen it before, so I really liked it. Oh, and the seller sent a little thank you note. It is a Vera Bradley double kiss lock coin purse. I paid $22 is what I paid for it. But it's the kiss lock, and it also has another kiss lock in the inside. I had never seen that before. Have y'all seen one of those before? I had never had. Does it say the patterns? Do they say the patterns on here? No, they sure don't. But it's very clean on the inside. Let's see, on both of them. That's just so cute. The material does look a little faded, or maybe dirty, maybe? No, it looks a little faded. So it had been used, been around. But she was $22 was my bid, so it's not bad. It's a little bit more when I paid, but I thought it was unusual, so I thought, oh, that's cute. I would definitely use that, and I could use it with, put some little trinkets in it, and either use it as a coin purse, or I can use it with some lipstick or lip balm in there, and put that in one of my bag. This one came from, oh, it says Goodwill Finds. Hello, Dee Dee. So let's go to Goodwill Finds. Okay, this one was a great deal, but also unusual purse that I hadn't seen before. She definitely was used. Look, they just say that it's a floral cloth and they have it in collectibles, but it is, you push that here. I call it a kiss log, but I mean, it's really not a kiss log. And you open it up there, and it has, here's the inside. Has 3 little card slots on one end, and it has a card slot pocket on the other end. It has a back little pocket here, or front pocket. Actually, let's see, where's the front and where's the back? So this is the front. So yes, this is the back pocket. I wonder if how my phone would fit. Well, it sticks out a lot, but I just thought this was a fun little cute purse. A fun little cute purse. She was only $9.99. They were selling her for $50.49. No way. So it sat there for a long time, and they kept knocking off, and then they had 80% discount for $9.99, and I went ahead and swooped her up. Then this last one is from, it was also from Goodwill Finds. And actually there's 2 items, but I bought it because of one item. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, so here's the bag. Oh, okay. They put it inside. I bought it because I wanted this little kiss lock pencil case or coin purse. I don't know. I thought it was so cute, but they were selling it as a set. The original price that they were asking for both of them was $42.99, and it also sat there for a long time. The Vera Bradleys just don't go for a lot of money. So finally they were asking, they had the $9.99 special, so it was 77% off. So I thought, okay, I would pay $99 for this, and this would be a bonus. So this is what I really wanted, and I got this with it. So this is a cute little bag. Here's the pattern on the inside. Can you see? Pattern on the inside. Oh, what is this pattern on the inside? Is it the same? No, it's black. It's black. It's black. It has 2 front pockets and 2 back pockets that are kind of small pockets here. Let me see. Really can't put anything in it. There it is. There's the pattern. So it looks similar. The color is very similar to the front pattern. And it's in good shape. Smells like a purse. I don't see any stains, any wear too much. Nope. No tears or anything like that. She's in good shape. So there's that. I thought that was cute. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. That's the 5 items I have for you today for Vera Bradley, and they just have such colorful patterns. So these 2 for sure, I know that those I wanted. I was thinking this one. I was thinking that I might give that to my granddaughter to see if she likes that. This one I might end up using that one, and this one, because this one I can probably turn into a makeup case or something like that for myself and use that. It's probably a little bit too big as a catch-all for my bag. I definitely probably could use it as a makeup case or something to put makeup in, or papers and stuff when I travel. So might use it for that, or my granddaughter might use it. Who knows? Who knows? Might pass it on. I don't know. All right. Thank you very much for visiting me, and thank you very much for this Vera Bradley little unboxing here. And I hope you come back for the next one. Thank you very much. Love y'all. Bye-bye.